Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today we will be testing a momentum indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just join our free tier on our Patreon page. You can find the link down below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 640 different strategies, with 179 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 52 strategies. And out of those 52 strategies, we've made every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 52 strategies, we have a combined weekly profit of $54,600. The best weekly profit so far was $7,300. And so the source video is pretty straightforward. It is a momentum indicator, and I guess you could say that it does make sense. And so not a whole lot of fluff there. Now, of course, we will put this indicator to the test and see whether or not it's profitable, as that's ultimately what we are concerned about. And the indicator that we have on screen is called the Step Channel Momentum Trend Indicator. It's going to be this one right here by Chart Prime. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Go ahead and jump into the settings, and according to the source video, we should set this to a length of 6 and make sure the multiplier is at 0.3. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade setup, so we're looking for when the step momentum line shifts from red to green. If you hover over the indicator itself, you can see that it adds a coloration to the candles, and you can see where it switches from the red coloration in the candles, and then switches, goes to an orange and then a green right here on this current candle. And so relatively simple setup. Now what I did was I coded this into an indicator that works well with Nexus, and now basically we just have these green arrows. So for a long trade setup, you're just looking for a green up arrow like this here, and that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. And so you'd set your trade right here. You put your stop just right below this little pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we get this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this indicator. So just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so. Drag this down a little bit. Go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Give it just a moment here to load up the results. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator here. So you can see that we have right at a 42% win rate. We have 300 trades tested, about 20,000 bars back, and the total time was about 3.1 months. It's pretty standard on the 5-minute time frame. That gives us a total profit and loss at negative $1,414 and a weekly profit and loss at negative $104. So not horrible, but also not great. And so as far as understanding or an indicator that finally makes sense, I guess it could make sense, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be profitable. Now, of course, played around with the Nexus backtest indicator, played around with some of the settings, see if we can get better results. So now we have this setup here. So now we were at a 35% win rate, 241 trades tested, again, about 20,000 bars look back, 21,000, and we are still on the 5-minute time frame. So again, about 3 months worth of trading there. Now puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $52,868, and that puts our profit per week at $3,623. So significantly better results. Now, if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join my Discord down below and go to the Nexus channel, and I'll guide you on how to get the access. And now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet, you can do so by joining the free Patreon down below in the description. But if you are interested in getting access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here, then you can join the $19 Patreon, which has tons of value in it. Not only do you get access to the Nexus backtest indicator, but you get access to all the indicators that I've used to create these profitable strategies. And then, of course, you get access to the strategy testing spreadsheet, which I've been tracking the testing for years now, tracking exactly which strategies are profitable and which ones aren't, as well as their win rates and links to those videos. But now with the strategies that I've used the Nexus backtest indicator on, I've also provided a layout link in that same spreadsheet, which means that once you get access to the Nexus indicator and you get access to all the indicators that I have created, when you become a patron of the channel, you can just click that one link and it'll bring up this exact layout as you see it on screen right now with the profitable settings already dialed in for you. And then from there, you can do with that what you wish. You can start forward testing it, you can start live trading it, you can play with some of the settings, or you can create your own strategies. And if all that wasn't enough value for you, I will also guide you on how exactly you can get these same results from strategies using the Nexus backtest indicator and the techniques that I've learned and created. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing on this one here. What I didn't mention a moment ago is that you can still get access to the Nexus backtest indicator for free. To get access, you'll just join my free Discord down below in the description. Go to the Nexus backtest channel and follow the steps in that channel. Please don't request access through any other means. You won't be granted access unless you follow those steps in the Discord. Also, another thing that I didn't mention a moment ago is that in the spreadsheet where I track all these strategies, I also put in a area where I show the exact settings that I use in Nexus that I modified to get to these profitable versions of the strategies or the indicators. And so you can use those settings to make some really dialed in versions of the strategies or indicators. All right, like I said, that's it for this indicator here. We are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original indicator was not profitable. And of course, I'll track this profitable version in the spreadsheet, like I said, and we'll move on to the next video from here.